Hey, welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hux World, bringing you the news that matters, and today, this news, it matters. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and Samsung is just back in the news again, and the news is important because they have finally confirmed the fact that there will be a foldable display in the year 2018. They didn't say the date, they didn't say when it was going to drop, but they did say they will differentiate their lineup so far, the foldable display and possibly the S lineup and the Note lineup. Hopefully they don't get rid of the Note lineup. Gives us an option of which phone we want to have, but they also talked about the breaking records that has been taking place in the fourth quarter, especially with the chips that has been pushing them over the edge, and also with the Galaxy Note 8. The Galaxy Note 8 has helped to increase their sales, to push them up there. So Samsung has had a great fourth quarter. But about this foldable display, that Samsung has finally officially came out and confirmed the fact of a foldable display that should show up in 2018. Now, one of the things that they didn't talk about is when this is going to show up in 2018, and they did not talk about any specs. Of course, we're going to have to wait for that till it gets closer and we get more rumors, we get more leaks. But they did talk about the fact that this possibly could be a 7.1 inch display, which when you fold it up, that would probably measure out to be that 7.1. So don't think of it as being a massive smartphone. But listen, I can't wait. I'm looking to see what this phone is going to actually look like. We got a lot of circulations of renders and prototypes of this phone circulating around. You got one that looks like a clamshell, which I think is super ugly. You got another one that has a hinge on it. You also have the Yome. Now the Yome is the one that I'm looking forward to seeing because it has the screen on the outside, and then when you open it up, it folds up into a mini tablet. I cannot wait to see this in person. Now the question at the end of the day is, will this make you wait, right? I mean, pass by the S9 and the S9 Plus in order to get to this foldable display. And for those of you all who are waiting on the Galaxy Note 9, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know, what are you going to do? Are you still going to get the S9, S9 Plus, and or the Note 9? I don't know. I think I just might wait this one out, especially if it's supposed to show up in 2018. The next order of news is many people are talking about the battery life on the S9 and the S9 Plus. I'm here to tell you, don't worry about the battery life. If you're thinking about getting it and that's what you're going to get great battery life. Samsung has been optimizing the phones. They've been getting better and better every year. I got the Galaxy Note 8, which has a smaller battery in it. Now, the S9 and the S9 Plus are going to have the same battery that's in the S8 and the S8 Plus. So I'm telling you, you have no worries, okay? And with that, let's talk about the intelligence scan. Now the intelligence scan is said to possibly hit the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. It hasn't been confirmed or anything like that yet, but I say look forward to it. Now with the intelligence scan, it's been rumored that they're going to use the facial recognition, and they're also going to use the iris scanner, which should make this more secure because your iris is your blueprint. It is your iris, which should make this a lot more secure than what Apple has going on with the Face ID. All right, and that's going to be it for the Samsung news, and definitely bringing you the news that matter is important, and this news, it does matter. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. And for those of you all who have not commented about your decision on what you're going to do, if you're going to wait for the S9 and the S9 Plus in terms to get the foldable display, please make sure you hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And with that, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.